This is Steve. Welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to create a beautiful little lidded box out of some Mesquite Burl and some crystal purple resin. Let's get started. After we get the mold made, the resin mixed and poured into the mold, we're going to get it in the vacuum chamber, start pulling all the air out of the wood and the resin so that we've got a bubble-free project. Then we're going to put it into the pressure pot. We're going to let it sit for 72 hours. We're using designer epoxy deep pour. Wonderful stuff. I love it. It's all I use anymore. Okay, we're going to get it out of the pressure pot, get it ready to get put on the lathe.